Today we're going to make some mini Christmas trees. Now these are really cute and super simple to make. These finish out at 6 inches by 9 inches, and they're so simple because I used a template set. It's called the Mini Tree Template Set by Suzn Quilts. We're going to link to that in the description. But I love using templates for stuff. It's so much easier than measuring stuff and doing all the, all the detail work we usually have to do. This template set is only 2 pieces, and it's this pretty acrylic color. Now when you open this, I made the mistake going, the back of this is all brown. There's a brown paper that will be stuck to the back of this, and you just peel it off, and then you have your beautiful little templates. There's only 2. It's very simple. One is the tree shape, and you cut out a tree shape, which I have done right here. And then the other is the background shape. Now the instructions, I like to follow the instructions, and then I can tell you if something worked for me or it didn't. The instructions say cut one in this direction, then flip it over and cut another one in that direction. Well, the same thing is just fold your fabric in half, okay? Lay this on there, cut it. As long as you've cut 2 at a time that are right sides together, you're going to have the right background pieces. So that's a little tip for you on that. Now, when you cut these out, it's pretty simple. You can see how they will be going together like this. But first you do one at a time. You take this one first, fold it over, and you have to slide it up. And by sliding it up, I want you to see a little dog ear at the bottom of this one, a little red dog ear sticking out, about 1/4 of an inch. That's what you want. So if that little red triangle is showing up, you're in good shape. Stitch 1/4 of an inch here and then press that seam open, all right? Now I have done that on this one, and when you press it open, you will see this matches up at the bottom, which is great, that's what you want. And then you just take this other one, same deal, right sides together, and again, look down here at the bottom because you want to have at least, not at least, you want to have exactly 1/4 of an inch sticking out at the bottom here. When you have that, stitch this here and open that up. And then you will have the Christmas tree shape once you do that. Now there's a bottom to this, obviously. There's a tree trunk. It's 3 simple little triangles on here, and the measurements will be on the template when you get it. So when you open this up, here's the little bottom part. It's very simple. It's just 2 white triangles and a thin black. You can use brown, whatever you want. And you're just going to attach this at the bottom, stitch across here, flip it up, and you're done. Listen, these are so simple, and I love to see tree shapes in quilt blocks, but sometimes you're like, how exactly do I do this? This little mini tree template set will make it so easy for you. Now, next video, I'm going to take these, I made a few of them, and we're going to turn this into a quilt as you go project for like a Christmas table runner. You will love it because I love doing it. So I hope you will like us and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as always, happy sewing.